Today I will show you how to create this cool social media poster design in Photoshop. Let's start. First, go to solid color and pick the color I select. Now go to gradient and follow my steps. Now select the Type tool and type the text Air Max. Adjust it however you like by pressing Ctrl+T. Now take your product image and drop it on your poster. Select your text layer and change its color. Now resize your product by holding Ctrl+T. Then select the text layer and make a duplicate of it by pressing Ctrl+J. Now select the copy layer and make the fill amount to 0. Then go to stroke and select the same color as the text. Drag the copy layer on top of the image. Now select the image layer and apply drop shadow. Now go to Type tool and type New Arrival, then adjust its size and position. Copy the text by holding Alt and drag it down. Then double-click on the text to type again.
by Dallas, make it hurt.
Now as you can see we are almost done. Bring the PNG files of logo and icons. And drag it on top of your poster and resize it. Beats by Dallas, make it hurt. And you're good to go. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.